Look, don't shoot me, I'm just a messenger. Now let me ask you a question real quick. Isn't it wild how a person can form an opinion of you in just a matter of seconds without you even saying anything? Crazy. What is going on, my beautiful family? You already know who it is. It is your boy Charlie Mack, and on today's message, we're going to talk about how to make a good first impression when first meeting somebody. So let's jump right into it. Now, making a great first impression is necessary in building new relationships, whether they be new people you meet at school, social events, or even a job interview. Now, making a good first impression is essential because it sets the tone for future interactions with the person you're meeting right now. So, let me give you a few tips on how you can make a good first impression. All right, number one, we have dress appropriately. Now, the first thing to remember is that your appearance matters. How you dress can say much about you before you even open your mouth. You see, the reality is people make judgments about you within the first seconds of meeting you. So that's why it's important to be aware of your appearance. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. This doesn't mean you have to go out and buy expensive clothing or dress up like a model. But it does mean you need to wear clothes that fit well, that are ironed and clean, and reflect your individual style. So, take some time to pick out an outfit that makes you feel confident and comfortable. All right, then we have number two, be confident. Now, confidence is going to be critical in making a great first impression. You have to be bold, you have to take charge of the conversation, and show confidence in your abilities. Now, I said be confident, not arrogant. You see, confidence is attractive, but arrogance can be off-putting. So, be proud of your achievements, be proud of the skills you develop, but don't ever talk about them too excessively or think you're better than somebody because you are good at them. Instead, let your actions and accomplishments speak for themselves. All right, number three, we have be on time. Now, being punctual means that you're showing up at the agreed upon time or even a few minutes earlier. Now, this is going to be essential because it shows that you respect other people's time and you also value their schedule. You see, when you arrive on time, you show that you are reliable. And this is a positive characteristic that people look for in a person. For example, suppose you meet somebody for the first time and then they show up late. It gives you the impression that they don't value your time or that they're disorganized, which can create a negative first impression. Now, on the other hand, showing up on time sets the tone for a positive interaction. Moreover, arriving on time gives you a chance to mentally and physically prepare for the meeting or the event. It allows you to gather your thoughts and get you ready to engage with that other person, whether it be a potential employer or meeting a new friend. Now, by arriving early, you can also make time to observe your surroundings and also get comfortable with the environment. Tomorrow, I'm going to go over the last 4 tips to help you make a great impression. I hope this was helpful to at least one person. I'll be back at you again tomorrow. Until then, keep your head on the swivel, love yourself, and only help who wants to be helped. I love y'all. I'm out!